Hello friends, I am your host Poonam and welcome to JENISHA Online Show. Friends, today I will review Priya Refined Sunflower Oil. So let's start today's video. As you are seeing on the screen, this is the front side of the product. Now I will show you the closest view. See, this is the close view of the product. Priya registered, green sign, 100% vegetarian. Refined sunflower oil. Beautiful sunflowers are here. स्वाद भी सेहत भी. Light and healthy oil. Low fat cooking. Promise of quality. Fortified with vitamin A and D. So this is the front view of the product. Now let's see the back view of the product. I will show you the back part view. This is the back view of the product. Now I will show you the closest view. Just wait. Priya registered refined sunflower oil plus F fortified with vitamin A and D, green sign. परिवार में हर कोई चाहे अपना मनपसंद खाना. उनकी just wait. पर उनकी मदद के साथ साथ आपको रखना होता है उनकी सेहत का भी ख्याल. लाइट और हेल्दी प्रिया रिफाइंड सनफ्लावर ऑयल न सिर्फ बनाए स्वादिष्ट खाना पर इसकी लो फैट कुकिंग दे खाने में कम फैट का एहसास. जब प्रिया रिफाइंड सनफ्लावर ऑयल से बना खाना लाए हर दिन किसी के चेहरे पर मुस्कान, आपकी कुकिंग बने परिवार में आपकी पहचान. क्योंकि प्रिया रिफाइंड सनफ्लावर ऑयल आपके परिवार को दे स्वाद भी सेहत भी. इंग्रेडिएंट्स रिफाइंड सनफ्लावर ऑयल, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट INS 319, vitamin A, retinol, palmitate, vitamin D2, anti-foaming agent, free from argan oil, refined sunflower oil. Nutrition information. These are the ingredients. These are important part of any product. Now, after ingredients, here is nutritional information. This is also very important part of any product. So, I will show you more clearly so that you can see all the ingredients more carefully. Nutritional information, sorry. Energy per 100 gram of product per 14 gram. Serving size per serve 100 per serve percentage. Contribution to RDA. So energy calorie 900. Total fat 100. Saturated fat in grams 12. Monosaturated fat in grams 25. Polyunsaturated fat 61 gram, of which omega 6 gram 60, of which omega 3 in grams 1, transferred fat 2, protein 0, carbohydrate 0, total sugar 0, added sugar 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 0, added vitamin A mcg 750, added vitamin D 11.25, vitamin E milligram 30. After net package volume 910 gram. 910 gram is equal to 1 liter, okay, or 1 kilogram. Number of servings per package 65. Here some information has given, you can read, so that I am zooming the video. Just see, you can read it carefully. Low in absorption compared to regular refined soybean oil due to action of DMPS. Okay. After this, here has written FAPL is the licensed user of registered trademark. Priya copyright of label graphics is punishable offense. Here also has written Supreme MPCB HSMD plastic registered B13062014. Here a family picture has given. FAL for manufacturing packaging unit address, please see vacanted portion of the batch number printed and refer below. Manufactured and packed by. Address has given Maharashtra, India. License number has given Fasai Second license number and address has given Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Third license number has given for consumer complaints. Please reach us at our marketed by address, telephone 912222791100. Email vcare@fal.co.in. Net quantity at 30 gram, 30 degrees centigrade 1 liter equal to 910 gram. www.fal.co.in. This is a barcode. By using barcode, you can check out the product details and whether the product is original or not. 7 other. Here has given maximum rupees inclusive of all taxes, unit sale price per liter, batch number, packed on, expiry on. This has written on the one side. Just see the details. Maximum rupees 234 per. Batch number has given. Now packed on 15 December 2022. Expiry 11 September 2023. Okay, this is one side, and another side nothing has written. This look like this. So friends, this was my today's product, and today I reviewed Priya refined sunflower oil. If you like today's video and want to watch more such type of interesting and especially product related videos, subscribe to JENISHA Online Show. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in our next video.